Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be removing the Citroen C4 Picasso B78 taillight. These lights are on the tailgate. When you open the tailgate, on the side there will be a T30 torx screw. Remove this screw and then there will be a cover. This is the same for both sides. Remove the cover. Underneath there will be two torx screws, T30, and then we'll need to unplug the taillight as well. With a clip remover, pull it out of position and then unplug. Remove the two torx screws, and then next with a plastic tool, don't use a flathead metal screwdriver, you can crack the lens or damage the body of the vehicle. Get in between the tail light and the tailgate and just gently nudge it out. It can get stuck, so be patient. These lights are LED signaling. There's only one bulb that comes out like so, and you can change it and refit. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.